Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. So I ran the car yesterday at Autocross. It ran pretty good. You guys and gals who are regular viewers know that I was having some issues with the tire pressure sensors and stuff that I kind of did on my own. Anyway, just checking the car over after the event, and I have never looked. This car is new to me, a couple months, and I never looked at the air cleaner. I inspected it with a mirror, which you can do, and if I remember, I'll show that to you at the end. I've already got it off, but to get it off, you unloosen one metal band right there, and I also pulled that clip right there because there's a I think that's MAF sensor right there, measures the airflow, and that's got a clip on it to hold it in place. And so I undid that clip, undid that band, and just pick it up and twist it, and here it is. I'm on the passenger side, and there are 6 bolts like that, just not a machine thread, it's just that, kind of like a wood screw. So I got my power tool out because it's kind of boring to undo them all by hand, and I'll get the other 3 out and then I'll show you the air filter. So there it is right there. It's kind of a fancy air filter, as you can see. It has a lot of square inches, I guess you would measure it as square inches of filtering to flow the air through. A couple of bugs there. And I did just find some more of that golden color, what I called it glue. I think it is glue. So that's part of the manufacturing, what I could see on the front side of it. So if you're at the dealer getting your car serviced, and he wants to charge you, like $100 or something for an air cleaner, make him show you the old one. And if it looks like this, don't pay it, because he's just screwing you. You can pay him for taking it out and putting it back in. That's part of the hourly rate, but don't let him charge you for that part, because ain't nothing wrong with it. Okay? There's, wow, hard to get a good picture of this. Hold on. Oh, it's the focus. The focus I was having trouble with. Anyway, there's this stuff that looks like some papery kind of material that was stuck on the top side of the air cleaner. It says, "Not serviceable, do not remove." And it says it in French too. And I don't know what that is. Somebody smarter than me knows what that is. Tell me. It probably has something to do with airflow, I'm guessing. But I don't really know that for sure. Anyway, I thought I'd show it to you. It looks interesting. So if anybody tells you the C6 Corvette has a cold air intake, they're wrong. It's just sucking air from this closed off area under the hood. That's all. Now let me show you how to inspect. There, right in the middle of the screen, you see my inspection mirror? I'm wiggling it. You see how I can look at the air cleaner element right there? And that's what your mechanic should do. He doesn't have to take it all apart. He can just take an inspection meter. He can do it on the other side too and look there. And if it looks clean like that, you don't need an air cleaner element. Okay? So that's how you do that. So you just reattach this accordion thing together with this, tighten this up, hook your MAF back down there where it came from, right there, and that's it. It's really pretty easy to check your air filter on the Z06. So, give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy, and be safe, have fun. See you later. Froggy out. Bye-bye.